How to buy Bitcoin printer token. So this token came under the symbol of BRRR. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 13,000% in less than 24 hours. And also this token trending number 4 in the Solana section. So I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your phone to mine it. For that, so first I will just log into my wallet to be able to buy this token. So sorry, I will just re-enter in my password like that. Now after you log into your wallet, click on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this our token. Now click on it. Now after that, as you can see here, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, click on pricing, click on provider, and select Jupiter. Click on apply. Now go back, and you will be able to find here swap. Click on it, and after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy the Bitcoin printer token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.